Myself, Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 8, more about scratches, class 5, subject computer, day 1. In this chapter, we know about the scratch of Windows. So first you know about this thing. What is this? Scratch is a graphical programming language. It is developed by the lifelong kindergarten group in MIT, and it is the easiest programming language that can be used to create own games, stories, and animated image. You know, computer understands the stepwise instructions to perform any kind of task, because it is discussed by me in the previous videos that the set of instructions is called program, and that programs are collectively known as the software, because we use any kinds of software to perform a particular type of task. Suppose that we use the operating system and application software. Operating system that can be used to organize, to manage, to control, and provides a working environment for the users to perform any particular kind of task. And application software that can be used, that is designed in such a way to perform a specific task. If we want to perform a particular kind of task, then we use that application software. So computer understand only the stepwise instructions to perform a particular kind of task. In a Scratch, you can drag code, drop the blocks in serial order, and the basic principle of Scratch is imagine, program, and share. It means first you imagine what kinds of program which you want to create. First you imagine, and and after that you can share it. Now you know about the components of a Scratch 3.0 window. So first is the sprite. Each object in a Scratch which is programmed to animate, that is called the sprite. It is the default things in the Scratch, and we can also change or add a new sprite. Number 2 is the stage. That is known as just like a simple stage, because where we move sprites and perform action. So it is known as the stage, because a Scratch project actually run on that stage. Number 3, that is the green flag button, that can be used to run a Scratch project. And number 4, that is the stop button, and it is used to stop the project running at the time. And fifth is the backdrop. A backdrop is the background of the stage, which can be used by us, and we can change the visuals of the stage area. It is not simply used by us for the special purpose when you want to create an image or animated graphics, then the Scratch is used. Now simply so many application softwares are invented and that can be used to perform our particular task. That's all for today.